welcome to my channel High Achievers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is about lipid molecules. Let's start our lecture. Lipids are the diverse group of the chemicals that are the fats or the oily substance. Lipids are the hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means that they are water repelling, and the hydrophilic means that they are water attracting. Lipids are hydrophobic and so they are insoluble in water. Lipids are soluble in the organic solvents such as the ether, ethanol, acetone, chloroform and benzene. Lipids contain the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen as in carbohydrates. As we know that the carbohydrates contain more oxygen as compared to the lipids. So lipids contain the less proportion of oxygen, so they contains the less energy as compared to the carbohydrates. As we see that the classification of lipids are divided into the three classes: simple lipids, complex lipids and the derived lipids. Simple lipids are the esters of fatty acids with alcohol. Simple lipids can be divided into the fats and the waxes. Fats are the esters of the fatty acid with glycerol. Solids at room temperature means that they contain the strong bonding at the room temperature. Some are liquid at the room temperature like oils. Physical state depends upon the nature of the fatty acids. These are the examples in which the fats are present in very high quantity, like the fish, meat, avocado, nuts, seeds and chocolate like butter. Waxes are the higher esters of higher fatty acids like the cetyl alcohol and different examples. They have the long straight chains ranging from the hundreds of carbon atoms. They can take up water without getting dissolved in it. Means that they can mix in water but they cannot even dissolve in the water, like the ointments, polishes, lubricants. And they are also found in the surfaces of the plants and the insects. Some examples are given below in the three categories. Like animal waxes, vegetable waxes and mineral waxes are the main categories. Animal waxes like bee wax, shellacc wax, and in vegetable like say soy wax, jojoba oil and mineral जो waxes हैं like peat waxes, petroleum waxes में paraffin wax एक आम example है. Petroleum waxes is also common example. Synthetic waxes में polythene like in our daily use, polymerized olefins. The fatty acids are carboxylic acids with a hydrocarbon side chain. It is a structure given to you like the fatty acids. Fatty acids are a long chain and they are attached with the carbon, because as you know that the carbon has a catenation property, so it forms the long chains, thousands of the chains, and so it has a different varieties. Occurrence of the fatty acids majorly occur in the esterified form as a major constituent of the various lipids. They are also present as the free fatty acid. Like fatty acids are also present in the animal fats and the plants like cuticle, and different fatty layers are present in the living organisms, and they have to play very important role in the living organisms. There are the two classifications present: saturated fatty acids and the unsaturated. As we very well familiar with it, that the saturated fatty acids contain the single bond. They are closely packed together and they have the higher, stronger attractions, because as we know that the single bond is too much strong as compared to the double and the triple, and a large amount of energy is required to break this single bond. So they have the high melting points and the boiling points, and they are the solids at the room temperature because of the strong bonding. Unsaturated fatty acids, they contain maybe the double bond or the triple bond. Non-linear chains do not allow the molecules to closely pack. Because they have the non-linear chains, so they are in the large molecules form. And they have the low melting and boiling point because they have not the strong attraction. They have not the strong attraction forces present among their molecules. You can surely see that the saturated fatty acid and the unsaturated fatty acid, there is the single bond throughout the chain, but there is a double bond, so there is a bending in this chain. And the saturated fatty acid is much stronger than the unsaturated fatty acid. Here are the few examples given to you, that the acetic acid, scientific name ethanoic acid. Here is also some examples of the unsaturated fatty acids like oleic acid given in the book. These are merely the examples for you that you can surely see that the double bonding is present among these molecules. Peanut oil is also an example. Triacyl glycerol. Tri means 3, acyl glycerol means 3 molecules of the triacyl glycerol. Storage of the fatty acids in organism is in the form of the ATP. These substances are triesters, means they contain the 3 esters bond. They are also maybe the neutral fat or the triglyceride. Mono and the diacyl glycerol are one or the 2 fatty acids esterified. Naturally occurring is present in the fats and oil. The function, triglycerides are also called the fats, and the function is to provide the major lipids in the body and diet. They are stored about 60% in our body. When we do exercise, these are these burn. We can also say that these fats are burned during our exercises. So the majority the body contains about 60% of the fats. Energy needs compactly. Insulation provide the body insulation and the protection, like they are under the skin and they provide the body the insulation so that the heat cannot exchange in or out. Carrier of the fat soluble compounds. Sensory qualities like flavor, texture. This is a diagram. You can surely see that the glycerol molecule is present and it forms the bond with the 3 fatty chains, and there is bonding and the water is released. So there is a dehydration process also take place. When these glycerol and the 3 fatty acids combine, they form the glycosidic bond, and the water is released and the 3 water molecules are released in one bond. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.